Hey Google, I notice cats like to drink rainwater rather than water from the faucet. What is the reason? Any scientific reason?
That's an interesting observation. Some studies suggest that cats might prefer rainwater due to its slightly acidic pH, which they find more palatable. Also, rainwater often has a fresher smell compared to tap water, which can contain chlorine or other additives.
Is it for human? Is it safe to drink rainwater instead of tap water?
While rainwater might seem pure, it can actually...
Yeah, go ahead.
I can definitely look into that for you. In the meantime, is there anything else I can help you with regarding your cat and its drinking habits?
Yeah, why? Any scientific reason? If human can drink rainwater or not?
While rainwater might look clean, it can collect pollutants from the air and surfaces it touches. If you're interested in learning more about the potential risk...
Why you keep stopping? Do you hear some birds chirping?
My apologies for the interruptions. I'm ready to continue whenever you are.
Look at that cat. Look what she's doing. Oh, she goes into another house.